In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload full-size photo on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap at plus sign, and that will show you photos from your camera roll. Let's say I want to post that photo, and right here you may tap at that icon to crop this photo to 1:1 aspect ratio. However, if you want to upload this photo in full size, you should tap at that icon again to see the original size of that photo. It doesn't matter if it's in portrait mode or in landscape mode, you can upload any photo in its full size. Also, you can upload multiple photos in the same way. Just hit at that multiple photos icon, and then you can select some photos. Just keep in mind that all the photos that you have selected will be cropped in the aspect ratio of the first selected photo. So if you want to crop all the photos to 1:1, or if you want to keep them original size, just make that setting for the first photo that you have selected. Once you did that, you can select up to 10 pictures at the same time, and then you can hit on next and share them on your profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.